Hello, I'm Romina Valle, and this is my final project for CS50's Introduction to Programming with Python. And my project is a password management tool. This project is a password management tool designed to securely store, retrieve, and manage passwords using encryption. With the increasing importance of online security, managing passwords effectively is crucial. So this tool provides users with an easy-to-use command line interface to add, view, and delete passwords. Okay, so let's see how it works. First, you should open the readme.md to see what should you do. Okay, as you can see, these are the steps. Step 1, run the generatepassword.py to generate a key. This is the first step. So you should run this program. And we run it. As you can see, attention, if you generate a new key, all your previous saved passwords in passwords.csv will be deleted. Are you sure you want to continue? Yes, of course I am. So we generated a new key, and we should put the key somewhere safe. This is so important. Don't lose the key. This is all you have to save. Okay. So step 2 is install the required Python libraries, as I already have them in my PC, so I don't install it again. But then we should run project.py, which is the main project. Now I run it. Please enter a mode: add, view, delete, or quit. I want to add. So first I write the source, www.google.com, for example. And username, let's say Ellie. And the password, like this. And password added successfully. Okay, I want to add another one. Source, www.love.com, and username, let's say Romy, and password something like that. Okay, now as you can see, there's a file generated here, and I can see by view the source, the username, the password. But if you open the passwords.csv, you can see the password. Because it's encrypted. And I can even delete a line in the CSV. How? I can just type D or delete, enter a source, for example www.love.com, and view. Okay, it deleted successfully. And if I open the passwords.csv, you can see that it deleted completely. Okay, and quit. Okay, bye. This is the end of the project. That's it. I hope you enjoyed.